Our next functional group is the ketone. Ketones look like this. They've got a double bond to an oxygen on a carbon. They're not going to occur at the end. They're right here, right at this carbon here. So, in order to name a ketone, the first thing we need to do is get a number of our carbon chain. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is pent. No double bonds. It's pent-an. And then to name a ketone, the end, our suffix, is just going to be -one. So pentanone. Of course, I need to number these carbons so that I know which carbon that ketone occurs on. So it would be pentan-2-one. But it doesn't make that much difference. So let's look at the second one. I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon chain. That'll be hex, and then I've got 2 ketones. So it's going to be dione. And I need to number where they occur. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'll be 2 and 4. So 2, 4, dione. Fantastic. But now I have an alcohol and a ketone. So I need to figure out the priority of that ketone. Ketones come in at a priority of number 4. Their suffix, we've already seen, is the -one. A drawing would look like this. Notice, if my ketone is all the way at the end, if it's on the last carbon, well, it really becomes an aldehyde. So this is why our ketone will never occur there, because that would actually change the structure, and it would give it different properties as well. If I do get beat out for a ketone, then the prefix that I will use will be oxo. And we'll see that later. For now, the ketone will beat the alcohol, and we're going to be able to name this using our priorities. So, the first thing about priority is that it gets priority numbering. So I'm going to number from the right to the left because the ketone has that higher priority. It's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4. The ketone occurs on number 2. The alcohol occurs on number 3. So we're going to name this first with the ketone in mind. So I've got a 4 carbon chain that is but-an-2-one. And then I need to put my alcohol in there. Now I'm going to use the prefix for the alcohol, which is hydroxy. So this will be 3-hydroxy butan-2-one. And there we go. There's a completed name.